Hi everyone, I'm Sam, and in this video, we're going to show you 3 good ways to find a great estate planning attorney to help you with your estate plan. I've asked Julie and Bob, my fellow team members, to join us later in this video to help explain the 3 different options you need to know more about. Okay, let's get started. Finding the right estate planning lawyer is important. Why? Because you know that you have responsibilities to your family, your loved ones, and your legacy. You also know that the right estate planning documents remove stress, protect your loved ones, and give you peace of mind. With all of this in mind, here are the 3 steps you can take to find the right lawyer for you. Step 1. Ask a lawyer you already trust or a friend you respect. Start with someone you already feel comfortable with. If you already work with a lawyer for business, real estate, or other matters and you respect their judgment, ask them whether they handle estate planning. If they do it, and they do it well, you may skip much of the search. If they don't handle estate planning, ask for a recommendation of a lawyer they know who specializes in estate planning. If you don't have that connection, talk to a friend or colleague whose estate planning experience you respect. Ask questions like, who handled your trust work? And were you comfortable with how things went? When someone whose judgment you trust gives you a name, you begin with an advantage. This step gives you 2 things, a human recommendation and an emotional comfort level. Both matter when you and your family will be discussing personal, often emotional matters. Next, I want to bring Julie into the conversation to share step number 2 with you.
Hi everyone, and thanks Sam. I'm Julie, and it's great to have you join us for the video. What do you say we keep the conversation going? Step 2. Go online and use the Martindale-Hubbell directory and look for AV-rated lawyers. Go online to the Martindale-Hubbell directory at martindale.com. I'll share the link in the description. Search estate planning attorney in your city or county. Filter the results for the AV rating. An AV rating is the highest peer review rating within that system. The A stands for very high legal ability, and the V stands for very high ethical standards. It's important to note that this confidential rating comes from other lawyers and judges in town about the lawyer you are thinking about hiring, and the rating cannot be bought. In our opinion, it's the top legal rating a lawyer can obtain in their career. It's the real deal and great way to narrow down your choice. When you find a lawyer or law firm whose peer rating is AV, or AV preeminent in the current terminology, you have strong assurance that other attorneys and judges hold them in high regard. Both of our partners, Mitch Jackson and Lisa Wilson, were honored to receive their AV ratings long ago. Next, reach out to that law firm and have a conversation. Explain your situation. Ask whether the lawyer works regularly in estate planning for clients like you, and whether they prepare revocable living trusts, not just wills. This is your chance to see if you feel comfortable with this particular lawyer. If, for any reason, it turns out that the lawyer is not a good fit, for example, if they specialize in high net worth estates above your size, or you're just not comfortable with them for any reason, ask the firm if they will recommend 1 or 2 other estate planning lawyers in town whom they trust. A lawyer who gives you referrals shows integrity and connection. Okay, Martindale is a powerful way to go, but there's still another good option you can take. And to share the next step, I'd like Bob to jump in and share his thoughts.
Thanks, Julie. Great to be here. Yes, the first 2 options around asking a trusted contact and friend or using the Martindale website are 2 good approaches. But this 3rd method is one of my favorite ways to find a good lawyer, especially if you need one in another region or state. Step 3. Contact the local bar association. Reach out to your local bar association for the name of the current bar president and maybe 1 or 2 past presidents. That lawyer typically has been around long enough to know who the trusted estate planning lawyers in town are. Call the law firm of that lawyer's practice and ask, do you handle estate planning? If not, whom would you recommend in this jurisdiction that I contact? Who would you refer your family to? The chances are high that if the lawyer's referral is good enough for his or her family members, then it's probably going to be a good referral for you too. A bonus tip is as follows. Take any names you received in steps 1 or 3 and plug them back into the Martindale-Hubbell search from step 2. Check their peer ratings, years of experience, practice, and focus. Then schedule consultations with 1 or 2 of the top candidates. Using this third step is easy and straightforward. I hope you found my advice helpful. Okay, Sam, let's take the conversation full circle. Back to you.
Thanks, everyone. Your objective is simple. You want an attorney who knows the estate planning process in your state and focuses on revocable living trusts, will and trust systems, durable power of attorney, advanced healthcare directive, and asset protection issues for families and small business owners. This process will lead you to the right attorney for you and your family. If you have questions or would like us to help you with a referral or even assisting you with your estate plan, give us a call or shoot us a message via the link in the description. The fact of the matter is that we've been helping California families for decades with their estate planning and other legal needs, and the chances are good that we can help you too.